This is a famous Sri Lankan flatbread, the coconut roti. It can be enjoyed for breakfast, lunch, or dinner. All you need is shredded coconut, salt, plain flour, oil and water. Add the ingredients into a bowl and mix well. Once they come together, separate portions and prep a flat plate with oil. Flatten each of the portions. The thinner the portion, the crispier the roti will be. A thicker roti is ideal if you're having it with curry. Do you prefer your roti thick or crispy?
Let me know in the comments.
Click here to see how to make Sri Lanka's favorite snack, the fish cutlet.